Well, we just started the engine up. Started right up. The water lift muffler sounds great. And everything's installed back there. But we realized there's no water coming out the back of the engine. So it looks like our impeller is toasted-osties. This minute was time to get behind the engine and check it out. It was much easier to get behind Rad Mode's engine going in backwards, I have found. That right there, I believe, is the water pump. Do that too. It's kinked. Check out that. That needs to get replaced too. And that's the raw water in. So what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna close that. Just do my best not to lose anything in the bilge, since it just, and Rad Mode's bilge actually is quite clean compared to a lot of old boats. It's not the impeller. That's not good to know. So now that means we have a different problem. Could be our water pump, could be our raw water intake. We have to trace the whole fucking thing now, man. Damn it. That's exactly what I try not to do. Gotta get some kids back here to clean the bilge out. It's kind of gnarly back here. Randy's boat's all like spit polished back here, man. Next, we check all our hoses to make sure none of them were restricting water flow. So how do you check to make sure your hose is not blocked from the raw water intake through hole up to your raw water strainer? This is how. You unhook it and you do this.
You blow it. Get your lips around it good.
You hear that? Thanks, babe.
So wait, what are you gonna do? Suck on the next hose?
No. I'm gonna blow on that one too. Unless I unhook it from somewhere else. We have a complete blockage or complete failure for our water pump to operate. But it's not belt driven, it's driven by the engine itself, and I cannot rotate the shaft that drives the impeller, which would indicate, as Loyal put it, that it's probably going to be operational. If I could spin it by hand, then probably splines were broken off of it or something like that. Christina cleaned out our raw water strainer.
I think it speaks for itself. Get rowdy.
After going over everything twice and looking it over a third time, I finally had a revelation. Oh, motherfucker. I think I'm fucking up. You know what? I don't think there's anything wrong.
Why is that, Mr. Serious?
Did you caught me saying I was fucking up on GoPro?
Yeah.
Dude. Well, I just had a thought. So, when we took the water lift muffler out of here, there's so much water between the water lift muffler and the out of the back of the hull of the boat.
Oh, it takes several more seconds to fill it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was reading about that.
I just didn't let it run long enough.
I was reading about that.
I shut it off after like 10 seconds. Damn it. Fucking son of a bitch. Okay, alright. Can I hand you that, please? Mm-hmm. Well, okay, let that be a lesson in, let that be a lesson in stupidity. I'm coming out.
There's a lot of days for the crew of Rad Mode where we don't know what's going to happen next.
Oh, bad spot, Jimu.
Suddenly, we found ourselves watching our buddy Francis's dog, Jimu.
Okay, time to dig.
It turned out to be a great day to watch a giant dog because this lady tried to get her massive boyfriend to kick my butt. All because I told her she needed to control her dog, which she did. As he clearly points out, he's not scared of anybody. And the dude was massive. We're talking like 6'4". I think he was more scared of Jimu than me. So I lucked out. Jimu even got to spend the night on Rad Mode. Jimu has decided to sit on Christina's lap on the ride back.
Found his comfort zone.
Yep, he's quite comfortable with people he doesn't know very good. He's been around. Jimu has been to 43 countries. He's from London. I hope I'm saying your name right, Jimu. But, yeah, he is pretty easygoing unless you're a dog and you have balls. Then you might be in some trouble. Or you're a female dog and you're in heat. Then you'll really be in some trouble. Refried beans and Mexican rice. Mama knows how to win a dog over, like, instantly. He is gonna love us. He's not gonna want to leave. Yeah, you've got this thing pretty packed in here right now. For another surprise, Jimu took us on a field trip to San Francisco with his owners, Francis and Margot. We ended up back in Sausalito with Francis later the same day. And after hanging out for a bit, we met up with our buddy Steve from Click Boom Sail.
It was fun hanging out with him because he has the same sense of humor as us. He is also documenting his sailing adventures on his Click Boom Sail YouTube channel.
After lunch, we walked the docks of Sausalito with Steve. Sausalito is full of cool sailboats, and I never get tired of walking the docks and admiring them. It also helps solidify a picture in my mind of a finished, seaworthy sailboat of our own. We love our West Sail 32 Rad Mode, but at this point, we've accepted that she's a strong stepping stone to a larger boat. Maybe our next boat is right here among us, and we just don't know it yet. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's across the sea on some distant shore, or maybe there is no other sailboat in our future. All we know is that we're going to continue chasing our dream of traveling abroad, and we've made a dream that is so big that if God isn't in it, it's doomed to fail. Maybe you'll be there waiting for us when we get there. Steve gifted us a case of beers.
That is so cool. Are you gonna like stop and drink one of those? Do you have enough?
Well, they're warm.
Okay, that's okay. I don't mind warm beer. You want a warm beer? No. No. We can start drinking them before we get to the
water.
beach.
I'll have one of the waters. Those are good warm.
My mom was cool enough to bring us 3 of the kids.
Hello.
Hi guys, I'm Steve.
That's Linnea. That's Aowen.
I'm the one that slipped.
Here's Gunner.
That's what I got.
What do
You
you
know
get?
those things that we always wanted? We got one.
What does it do?
It's a fidget spinner.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, it helps you concentrate.
Hey, this is Steve.
Hi, I'm Steve.
Vicky, my mom.
To meet you.
Steve was taken off, so we only had 6 people to shuttle over to Rad Mode in this shady wind that blew up out of nowhere. It was kind of shady, so we decided to dodge it by getting behind the seawall as fast as we could. That put us directly upwind of Rad Mode and made it easy for us to drift down to her.
There we go.
Smile. Act like a rock star.
Wake up, Gunner.
Okay, I'm gonna start with.
Acting like a rock star.
sleeping.
Look at me, that frowny face. You love my cooking. Yep.
Tostadas.
Yeah.
Tostadas.
That's so funny.
Yeah, it's filming.
Now set it down.
We take dinner very seriously on Rad Mode. And since we had 3 little elves to help, we were making
Pot stickers. I can't say it.
So we can now everybody.
Let's see that pot sticker.
This baby.
That thing looks good. Look at that.
Thanks for checking out that video. And I got a question for you guys before you take off, you know, especially if you're a regular viewer. Obviously, I didn't put the intro in this video, and, you know, I mean, it takes time to make them from time to time. I can either spend some more time into making like some high quality intros, which I'm kind of thinking of doing, or I can just go ahead and nix the intros all together, keep it short, sweet, and just spend my time working on episodes. So let me know what you think down below if you don't mind. And then also, you know, if you got this far, please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And then also, you guys might want to check out Steve and his wife over at Click Boom Sail. Steve's got kind of the same sense of humor that we do. That's why he's so fun to hang out with. He just cracks me up. But you know, they're pretty much starting their YouTube channel from the get-go. So you'll have a good chance to see, you know, like the very beginning of their story onward. So if you're interested in these kind of things, check them out, okay? I'll put a little video of theirs on the screen down below. And then the last thing I want to let you guys know is that we're doing, our next 2 episodes are going to be a boat delivery that Christina and I do for some family. We go down to Southern California and take a look at a boat, check it out, and then bring it up the coast. And the learning curve on this one is really steep. Okay, we make some pretty big mistakes and experience some interesting experiences that we haven't had. And so I think they're going to be 2 pretty good episodes, okay? So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you enjoy the previous ones, and we hope that you're going to enjoy all the stuff to come, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next episode.